In this short video, I want to show you how you can use a simple tennis ball or golf ball or doggy ball to help decrease tension in the upper back. So when you can't see your massage therapist or you're in between visits to your chiropractor massage therapist, sometimes we just need to decrease some tension in the upper back. Many of us are working at home, we're working at the kitchen table, we may not have the best ergonomic setup. So what I like to do is you can simply use the back of the door or a wall. You're going to put the ball between you and the door and then simply use your own body weight to compress wherever there's a tender spot. What I do recommend is to leave it there for a good 20-30 seconds. You can leave it there for like a few minutes. From there you can go and change locations to both sides. You can move it up into the top or the bottom of the neck. I even like to leave a ball in the car. So when I'm driving, who's not driving, and just sitting there in the car, so grab the ball and then you can do some trigger point therapy on yourself. So if you found this helpful, then please share it because someone out there is hurting as well as many of us are. So hope this was helpful. I'm Dr. Ginette from the Holistic Chiropractic and Wellness Center.